Good morning, students. Today we will discuss structure of eye. Eye is very important part of our body because due to this organ, eye, we are able to see our entire world. So look over here. In case of the eye, this is the skull, and in this skull you have seen there are two holes. And these holes, the eye orbit is present, eye ball, simple ball is present. This eye ball contains three layers like this. This eye ball consists three layers. This is the outermost layer. This is the outermost layer, which is known as fibrous tunic. It is also known as fibrous tunic because it is made up of collagen fibers. Collagen fibers are the strongest fiber in our body. बच्चों एक्चुअली कंडीशन क्या है? आई बॉल मूव लाइक दिस इन दिस क्वार्टर, इन दिस होल. आगे तो पूरी बोन है, बोन से ये फ्रिक्शन से डैमेज होता रहेगा. टू प्रिवेंट डैमेज the eyeball, there is outermost covering is the fibrous tunic. The front part of this eye, this front part bulges outward like this. This part is known as cornea. You know, हमारी आई जो eyelids move like this one. So it is fibrous. So it avoid the friction, and it is a transparent layer. Cornea is the transparent layer. It do not contain any blood circulation. That's why we cut the cornea during the operation of eye easily, right? So this is the outermost layer, cornea, and this is the part of fibrous tunic. Now we are going to discuss second layer, and second layer is the this second layer is rich in blood supply. बहुत अच्छी स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्लड सप्लाई होती है. बाहर ब्लड सप्लाई नहीं, अंदर की साइड पर ब्लड सप्लाई होती है. So this is known as vascular tunic. This is known as vascular tunic. क्या कहेंगे बच्चों इसको हम लोग? Vascular tunic. It is dark in color. It is dark in color. ये डार्क कलर की होती है. जिससे क्या होगा? लाइट अंदर आएगी तो ये वापस सारी लाइट को क्या करेगा? एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. It will absorb entire light that enter inside the eye. अब ये लाइट एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया, so that image will not blurred. हमको इमेज क्लियर नजर आएगा. We can see the clear image, so that we are able to see clear image. Internal reflection, it prevent the internal reflection. जो भी लाइट यहाँ पर एक्सपोज हुआ, it absorb all entire light. So no one light will reflect back, right? The front part, of this one vascular tunic, this front part is known as iris. This front part is known as iris. iris is of different color, you know, different persons having different color of eye. किसी की आंखें काली, किसी की नीली. So blue eyes, red eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, due to coloration of iris. इसी iris के coloration की वजह से सबकी eyes का कलर अलग अलग होता है. Now you are looking over here. There is a hole in the iris, and this hole is known as pupil. This hole is known as pupil. अब बच्चों pupil अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट होगा तो क्या होगा, पिपिल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाए. दिस वन लाइक दिस वन, इट एक्ट एज आइरिस ऊपर हो गया. ये देखो आइरिस ऊपर. जब डिम लाइट है तो इट विल लाइक दिस वन. स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट नैरो. तो पिपिल स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट में क्या होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइट पिपिल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, छोटी सी हो जाएगी. होल विल स्मॉलर. डिम लाइट इट विल डायलेट. सो pupil dilates and contract. It depend upon the strong light or bright light or dim light conditions. Got it? Now innermost layer and innermost layer of the eye, this is the innermost layer. And this innermost layer is known as nervous tunic. क्या कहेंगे बच्चों इसको हम लोग, nervous tunic, because it is made up of nerve cells. Because it is made up of nerve cells, so it is known as nervous tunic. And nervous tunic, this layer is also known as retina. This layer also known as retina. So what is the retina? Innermost layer of the eye. Innermost layer of the eyeball is the retina. Got it? In this retina, try to understand the concept. The portion in the retina from which the nerve, optic nerve arise. The part of eyeball from which optic nerve arise, this portion is known as blind spot. This portion is called as blind spot. Because there is no image formation takes place over here. यहां पर कोई इमेज फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता. अब यहां पर एक बात और, ये जो ब्लाइंड स्पॉट है, जस्ट अबोव द ब्लाइंड स्पॉट देयर इज अ डिप्रेशन. कुछ ऐसा, देयर इज अ डिप्रेशन. अंदर की तरफ थोड़ा सा टर्न हो जाएगा. राइट, दिस वन. अब इससे पहले मैं इस डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात करूं, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द नर्वस ट्यूनिक. दिस नर्वस ट्यूनिक कंटेन्स टू काइंड ऑफ द नर्व सेल्स. रोड सेल्स, cone cells. There are two kind of the nerve cells present in the retina, rods and cones. Rods are associated with the black, white and gray image. So black, white, gray vision due to the rods. Cones, colored vision. Cones are responsible for the colored vision. Colored vision due to the cones. colored vision due to the cones. Cones are of further three types. Number one cone responsible for blue, second one green, and third one for the red. The cones are having three kind of the cells. Cone cells are of three types. Number one for red cells, red color, second one for blue color, and third one for green. And you know, blue, green, red, these are the primary colors. By the combination of these colors, we are able to see various kind of the colors. We are able to see various kind of the color. Got it? So this is the what we have learned. Number one, outermost covering fibrous tunic. Front part of fibrous tunic is known as cornea. Second one, vascular tunic. Vascular tunic known as iris. Front part iris. Hole between the iris known as pupil. Innermost covering retina, also known as nervous tunic because it is made up of nerve cells. Nerve cells are of two types, rods and cones. Rods, black and white vision, and cones, colored vision. Now look the last part of the eye over here. ये iris है ना, यहाँ पर एक मसल्स हो गई ऐसा, यहाँ पर भी एक मसल्स हो गई, यहाँ पर एक मसल्स हो गई, यहाँ पर एक मसल्स हो गई आइरिस के पास में, नियर बाय द आइरिस. These muscles are called as, yes, ciliary muscles. These muscles are called as ciliary muscles. Now this is the lens, and this lens is बाहर से भी convex है, अंदर से भी convex है. It is convex in shape. The lens is convex in shape. ये iris muscles, sorry ciliary muscles lens से attach है. यहाँ पर एक ligament रहता है. There is a ligament present which connect the iris ciliary muscles with the lens. Called as suspensory ligament. A ligament is present over here which connect ciliary muscles with the lens, known as suspensory ligament. अब what is happening over here? सिलियरी मसल्स कुछ ऐसे काम कर रही है, कभी तो ऊपर खींच लेगी, जो ऊपर खींच लिया ऊपर और नीचे जोर से खींच लिया, दे पुल द लेंस बिकम फ्लैट, दे रिलैक्स, व्हेन दे रिलैक्स लेंस बिकम कॉन्वेक्स, कॉन्वेक्सिटी इंक्रीज, कॉन्वेक्सिटी डिक्रीज, कॉन्वेक्सिटी इंक्रीज, कॉन्वेक्सिटी डिक्रीज, कॉन्वेक्सिटी इंक्रीज, वी आर एबल टू सी नियर बाय ऑब्जेक्ट्स, पास वाले चीजों को हम पढ़ पाएंगे. फ्लैट वी आर एबल टू सी डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो द चेंजिंग इन द शेप ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द what kind of the object we are seeing. This is known as accommodation of the lens, accommodation of the vision. Ciliary muscle तो cilia से related, ciliary body से related, lens से related. यहाँ पर आइरिस पिपिल की शेप को से कौन रिलेटेड है? आइरिडियल मसल्स. Iridial muscles are associated with the shape, size of pupil. Pupil को साइज को छोटा करना, बड़ा करना, कौन रेस्पॉन्सिबल है? Iridial muscles. Ciliary muscles with the lens. Now last point of this eye, you are looking over here. ये देखो, ध्यान से देखो. Look carefully over here. लेंस डिवाइड द आई ऑर्बिट इनटू टू पार्ट्स। एक पूरा पूरा गोला है, इसको दो पार्ट्स में ब्रेक कर दिया। बिहाइंड द लेंस दिस चैम्बर इज नोन एज विट्रस चैम्बर। बिहाइंड द लेंस विट्रस चैम्बर। This is aqueous chamber. There are two chambers in eye orbit. In front, between the lens and retina, cornea, lens and cornea, aqueous chamber. Which fluid is over here? Aqueous humor. Here, aqueous humor. एक्वस ह्यूमर इज फिल्ड ओवर ईयर। और यहां पर कौन सा फ्लूइड? विट्रस ह्यूमर। विट्रस ह्यूमर, एक्वस ह्यूमर। बात समझ में आ गई? जब एज हो जाती है, ओल्ड एज में लेंस जनरली ट्रांसपेरेंट, बट ड्यूरिंग एडवांसमेंट ऑफ द एज लेंस बिकम ओपेक। लेंस ओपेक हो जाता है एंड नाउ इट बिकम वाइट इन कलर। So it is known as cataract. This disease is known as cataract. Cataract में क्या करेंगे? लेंस को काट करके रिमूव कर देंगे।